want to use this, I will say, koyemi, right? It sounds musical. Koyemi. It sounds musical, but this one is like 3-tone drums. One sounds heavy, one sounds neutral, and one sounds high. Do, mi, so, do, da, da, do, do, do. You only need to know 3. You don't need to know. It shouldn't be difficult for you learn the 3 tones. One is neutral. It sounds like calm water. The 2 is one is down, one is up. All right. So orúkọ mi ni Rotimi. Not Rotimi. You must pronounce it right. If your friends are saying Rotimi, no, that's not the pronunciation. It's Rotimi. Stay with me. Stay by me. That's what your name is. And it's a long one. Is that Oluwa Rotimi, right? God stays with me. That's what your name means. So pronounce it correctly when your friends are asking you the correct pronunciation. You know, and you say your name. So, where do you live? This is how friendship starts, right? You're not asking, where do you live? If she is not really your friend, you say, why are you asking me all that stuff? What do you want to know, right? Níbo ni ò ń gbé? Everybody say, níbo ni ò ń gbé? This ni word is so common in Yoruba speech. And the ni is telling you something about somewhere, right? And it say, somewhere in that town. Níbo ni ò ń gbé? Where do you live, right? I live in, now say this with me, Mò ń gbé. Ni. You say this M, it's talking about you. In English too, M-E, right? Me, right? Me, M-I is for the Yoruba. When you say me, that's me. Same thing. Mò ń gbé ní. And then you mention it. Where are you from? Let's say it together. Níbo, ní, ó, tí, wá. This ni is pointing to where. Where is it? Right? Níbo ni, where. So, níbo is also saying where. It's a question. Anytime you see níbo, that is where, question. You are, okay, let's say mom asks you to bring her bag from the room. And then you get to the room, you didn't see the bag. And then you go back to your mom and say, níbo ni, you know, níbo ni. How do you finish that? Níbo ni ẹ gbé bag yẹn sí? Right? Níbo ni bag yẹn wà? Where is the bag? Níbo ni. Níbo ni o ti wá? Okay. I am from, let's say this together. Mo wá láti. Mo, neutral, nothing there. Wá, up. La, up. Ti, neutral. Alright? So this is how you will remember how to pronounce it correctly when you remember the accent on top of that, right? My mother is from Ilesha. Ìyá mi wá láti Ilesha, right? Or ìyá mi wá láti Detroit. Alright? Let's say together. Ìyá mi wá láti neutral here. So la, wá, láti change to neutral. And that neutral sound, I express it as a calm, soft